Let off the gas when I roll by. Hit that liquor store before I hit that street in a low ride. Watch out now. And now I'm back in the 6'4", fresh out of Frisco. Okay, let's go. Hydraulics, 13. Glass packs hot enough to burn fiends. You see this rag top? Now watch this rag drop. Trunk full of batteries, can't stop. Now, see these 100-spoke D's? Well, that's how your 100's supposed to be. I gotta wrap my shit in white walls. And dog, you can see that shit with night falls. Candy dripping off the frame with a souped up 350 mechanical brain. Arcade still dipping, 5-0 still tripping, middle finger still flipping.
Candy, that's how we rollin', doing our damn thing. Like it's the summer, rollin' candy. That's how we rollin', doing our damn thing. Like it's the summertime.
Y'all ready? Lights, camera, action. You better know this Uce Duce got it crack. With 412 shaking the block. So if it's cold in your neighborhood, we making it hot. 96 degrees in the sunshine. Behind the wheel, we ain't tripping off the one time. Yeah, 415 California. Lift it up on 3 wheels, bend a corner. Fishtail 360 doing figure eights. Burn rubber, no time to hit the brakes, dog. Yeah, you best to hold on to my shit. Like the Uso JT, I keep it live and direct. I'm at this all day, but it ain't my day job. Still cruising with Big Leak and H-Mob. Uce Duce, keeping it live. Pay no mind to the haters, just keep it in drive.
Candy, that's how we rollin', doing our damn thing. Like it's the summer, rollin' candy. That's how we rollin', doing our damn thing. Like it's the summertime.
1, 2, 3. This crew is called UCE.
Girl, you're looking sweet tonight. You find it every day, girl. Wish that I could love you